Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a weekend vlog, and how amazing is that? I love the consistency. Thank you for subscribing, for supporting me, for staying by, for liking and all that. So this weekend we went to Rukunjiri with my best friend. She lost her dad, but she wasn't around, so she didn't get a chance of burying him or attending his barrier. So we had to do this and pray for him and visit the village. But hey, it was very, very interesting. Like, I like the people that side. They were so amazing, so welcoming. So they were so open-minded. They're educated, and the place is nice. Very, very nice. I can't emphasize this enough. Yeah, so this was me because I was staying in Kampala, so I was leaving Kampala to Boyogere because that's where we boarded from. And yeah, so this time around, it was around 11 p.m. and we had started the journey. And yeah, so here we were in, is it Masaka already? I'm not so sure, but we were at the equator. So we stopped by to take pictures and to do some content and relax and refresh and all that. So these are some of the people that I went with, and this was me recording and filming and vlogging. So it was so funny. It was hot and I wasn't that comfortable, but hey, we enjoyed this journey. It was so amazing. If I say that, just trust me, it was so amazing, and I hope I'll go back this side just for camping and all that. So here, this is the next day. I didn't vlog at night because I was so tired on Friday. The journey was very, it took us hours to reach there. It is very far. So this day was Saturday morning. That's when we did everything. We prayed, Mkondo Jaliwo on that day. And this was me creating content. And hey, I was cooking too. So we were creating content, but I was very busy because this is my best friend and I had to help her. And everything went well. Everything went as it was planned, and that was so exciting and amazing. But look at this compound. The place is so nice. It is so clean. It is so calm. It is quiet, and I loved it. I really loved it. So I had a friend of mine. He's called Hero Man, and he's around 9 to 8 to 9 years. So he was recording and filming. He did most of the work here. So he was a cameraman. One day you'll see him, hopefully. So this was in the afternoon. After lunch, we went and prayed for Dad and other people. And after, I'm going to leave you watch the vlog until the end. Thank you. Please subscribe. And hey, we even made a fire camp. How amazing is that? We made a fire camp at night on Saturday, and it was so sweet. It was so amazing. It was so amazing. Like, I had taken long without that experience, but hey, it was so damn cool. It was nice. Just know it was nice. You're going to see it in the video myself. So let me watch the vlog until the end. And hey, kindly don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. You shouldn't miss a vlog or any tutorial, any video that I'm going to be uploading. And hey, thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate. I do appreciate. So this was my evening on Saturday. We were taking the reverends and the pastors back home. Those are people who help us, who are praying for us, and so this was my friend, the man in yellow. Like, I like him. He's so calm and he liked me so much. Like, he was a vibe. He doesn't talk too much, but hey, he was a vibe. So this was at night on Saturday when everything was done, and we decided to do a fire camp, and people were okay with it, and we just vibed until around 3 a.m. in the morning. And we went back and slept until morning, and then that's when we left. So I'm going to stop here, and then I leave you watch the vlog until the end, and hey, you're going to enjoy it. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Chocolate Leno. Hey, good morning, guys. So this is our last day. Actually, we're in our last hours here, and good morning, guys. So we are in our last hours here. Today is Sunday, and we are done. So Brenda, say something.
Hi, good morning.
Let's go quickly. Wow, they won't take us without showering. Kim, hi.
Hello, good morning. Everybody okay?
No, because you won't take us before showering. We're going to take some pics here after it. So we are in Rukunjiri. Where are we going to pass? And we are going to show you a farm for apples. Quickly. So these are apples. They are covered. Look at these. You see?
They are prevented from being eaten by birds.
Yep. So they are preventing them from being eaten. That's why they are covered like that. But look at that. It is so nice. See this. And then there is banana there, banana plantations there. So if you didn't come with us, you missed a lot because you enjoyed. We really enjoyed. These are lemons. Yes, lemons. These are lemons. Lemons. I don't know, maybe. You see that? So you should all come to the village and you see what? So down here there is a farm. Was it to go to come out? They are down there. Down there. So bye. We are going to see you later when we're done with everything. And yeah, our vlog is about to end till I see you again. So this is how they mulch. Those of you who don't know how mulching is done, this is how it is done. These are banana plantations. So you're welcome.
Bwenti wanawekwatira fuck. Ebadde no yatandise.
It's okay, hey, so welcome back to my channel. We are leaving. I just said we are leaving in Rukunjiri. So it is Sunday. Today is Sunday, 27th, and I hope you're going. I think you're going to see this vlog on Wednesday. So see you in class. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. Bye. Tunuzam kid.
Hey. What's up? It's blankets and wine.
Blankets and wine.
Kukwata. Tomanyira kiyo. Brenda alemedde agenda kujja ngambe shekera tewankubye ebifaananyi. Akaweddemu. 20.